Hi everybody, it's Chris from He Works Hard for the Honey. Welcome back. I wanted to do a little set after going through the hive to talk about why these bees are making the queen cells and the what they call supercedure cells that they are. So a healthy hive is going to go in, it's going to fill all of the space that's available to it. And when the space is full, they're going to start getting restless. There's not a lot left to build. They're going to start creating new queen cells. Now, if and when a new queen cell hatches, the old queen is going to take half to 2/3 of the hive's population. They're going to go out and find a new home. You know, this is just how bee populations spread, is they find a space, they fill it, they send out new colonies, they fill a space, they send out new colonies. So what's happened with Hive 1 is that it's advanced to a point that even though it has a healthy queen, because they will sometimes take eggs and turn them into queen cells if the queen is not healthy, not laying at a good enough rate, getting towards the end of her life. That's not the case with this. So what we've got to start thinking about is creating a nuke, or actually just the exact kind of hive. I've got someone stuck in here with me. Someone stuck in here with me that doesn't seem to be able to get out of the curtain. Well, I was gonna have her come over and say hi, but she wouldn't stay on my hand. So what we've got to start thinking about doing is creating a new hive, or exactly what I bought to start these hives, and that's that we're going to take the old queen. Well, there are a couple of ways to do this. I know a beekeeper I've been working with who recently did what they call a walk-away split, which is, and let me turn you guys towards this. You can see that there are two brood boxes. A top and a bottom brood box. Today we found the queen in the bottom. We found some very young eggs in the top. And what we would do is just take the top and bottom boxes, put them out in their own stands, and, you know, as it's called, walk away. And what would happen is the new queen would, the old queen would be in one box and would continue to lay, with the younger eggs in another box. Those bees would create a queen cell, turn one of those eggs into a queen, and then we would have two separate colonies. And that's one way that that we keep this hive from swarming. I'm going to get a little consultation from people this week, and hopefully have an answer next week, sort of how we're going to go about doing this. I hope you'll join us then. And in the meantime, have a great week, and thanks for joining us at He Works Hard for the Honey.